Hi, it's Joe over at Social Web Pros. I'm done with what I can do on your GMB until we get verified. I wanted to show you that this is the message I got once I sent it, the GMB for approval. I guess they're running a little behind on sending the postcard. It is going to go to you to this address, and it looks like this. The envelope. It'll have your info here, and then what you want to do is you want to tear the sides, and then it opens up to with the verification number, which is this one here. So once you get it, I'll need this number, and what will happen next is once I get that number, this is your GMB here. It's pending verification. Um, I'll I'll click to verify, and then you'll go live. But it still needs, to get approved. I have the info, which is your information here. I added 3 cities, the main city and 2 others that are neighboring. You do not have a location where people can go to for product or services. You actually deliver your services to the homes. And again, here are the cities and your hours of operation, your phone number, and give me your website address. Send it to me as soon as you have it. Um, the services, these are all keyword optimization things I do. So you can rank for these keywords: landscaper, lawn care, lawn maintenance, landscaping, weekly lawn service. And then I added the description to the GMB about your business, and again, using some keywords and the city you service, your main city. Um, I say you were open in 2009 just to add some years to your business. I do need more photos. We'll go live probably in about a week when you get that envelope, and so we have time because right now this is not showing up. Your edits won't appear on Google until you verify your business. And so when you send me that code, I'll click here, verify it, and then you'll show up like this here, like Mr. Clean Pool Service, and the posts that I will create will be shown here. I mean, all these things I did for him, and he shows up like a rash um, on Google. We created a Facebook page, we created a Yelp account. I put him on top rated local. I mean, all these different citations I put him on. I did a YouTube channel for him. So he shows up a lot, and he's on the first page of Google. But I'll show you. These are the posts. So basically, he was running this special back in February. Or no, when was this one? This was in March. Um, and he got quite a few jobs out of this one. He did a lot of plumbing, replumbing, and then the acid wash. He got a few. This just ended uh, last month, and we haven't done any new ones because he's just really busy. He called me yesterday, said that it was his first. This weekend was the first weekend he had off in a long time, so we're not gonna run any specials. He doesn't need to right now, and so the post I created was for this. Here it is, the spring special, 50% off your first lawn care service. So I had it. I'm having it run by next week. By the 30th, you should be up and live, and we should have it all dialed in with your website. So it'll run for 2 months, and and then I'll give you access to your GMB so you can make changes. If you want to do more posts yourself, if you want me to maintain this for you, I have a real economical service that I charge for just maintaining your websites, your GMBs and taking care of all your marketing, online marketing for you, and we can talk about that later. But anyway, yeah, so this is all the info. I'll need more photos and obviously the website. So for now, you're up to the point where we can't go any further until we get verified, okay? So let's stay in touch. Send me photos, send me the website domain, and as soon as you get the code, please send it to me so we can get this up and going live. Thank you for your order, and we'll talk to you soon.